So now let me just unbox the keyboard. Here, as you can see, it says anti-ghosting so that there won't be any problems while playing games, because of course it is a gaming keyboard, and while gaming you will be pressing a lot of keys together, so it won't be an issue. And it has a function key too to get stuff done, like controlling the LED and stuff. I'll show that to you later on. And over here on the front side it shows the GK02 at first. This is the best one as it has 7 colors of LEDs and lot of modes, but I couldn't simply get it because it's out of stock everywhere. So I had to go with the red one, which is the GK10 I guess. I didn't go with the blue one because I already have a Cosmic Byte headset which has the red colored LED. So I tried to match the setup here. To the back side of the box we get the specifications here. Weighs around 800 grams, not kg though. Made out of plastic, which is of pretty good quality plastic. The cable length is around 1.6 meters, so it's pretty long. 6 key rollover for anti-ghosting, and this one again has a single color LED which is red in this case. I bought this one for 900 rupees from Flipkart, and if you wanna buy it for yourself and support the channel, please use the affiliate links in the description. Well, in no way this is a paid video or something. If you ask me why I bought it, here is the reason. I have been using this keyboard from almost more than like 6 years now, and I gotta say it can't keep up anymore. This key simply doesn't work. This is from a huge brand which is straight competition with Razer or Corsair. But yeah, and even the cable is almost ripped off, so that's why I had to buy this one. So let me just get back to the new one. And here is the keyboard itself. Looks pretty dope, at least for the price. Here we get the user manual which nobody reads. Here is a physical overview of this keyboard. From the sides you'd see the keycaps are a little bit lifted up because of the whole backlighting situation here I guess, which is not bad at all, and it feels great while typing. The back side of this keyboard, well yeah, I mean that's red and black everything, because why not? And it has this 4 rubber padding to the back side so that your keyboard doesn't slip off from your table while gaming or any productivity work, which is a really good thing. And it has this pop-up stand which keeps the top side of the keyboard lifted up when it sits on your table. And let me just show you the cable and the USB port now. The USB Type A port is not gold plated but works fine considering the budget. It's alright, and the build looks good enough. And it comes with this braided cable which is black colored over here, and again for the price it's good enough. So let me just connect this keyboard with my PC and get back at it again. So as you can see, the lights are on. You can just turn the lights off by pressing this key right here, and you can just turn it back on again with this one. And you can control the brightness level of the LEDs just by pressing and holding this function key, and by pressing this page down or up key. This is as low as you can go. We have 4 levels of brightness over here for the LED by the way. You can totally turn it down or you can just turn it all the way up again. And you can put the keyboard's light in breathing mode, which does this kind of effect, and I couldn't find any other effects though. I tried everything on this, but this is the only one I could get to work. I mean, this is the only one mode I could get to work. If you guys know about other effects on this particular model, let me know in the comments down below. I'll be grateful to you. And here is how the keys sounds like while typing. Of course this is not a mechanical keyboard, but it kinda feels like one, at least when you don't have like 3 to 4,000 rupees to spend on a keyboard. You can remove the keycaps just like this, in case you wanna clean it or something. And this is how the keycaps looks like. and you can just put it back in like this. So in my frank opinion, this one does worth the price, at least my first impressions say that. I don't know yet for how long it will keep up, but I'm hoping for the best and I think this will keep up for really long. If you have any questions or queries regarding this keyboard, let me know in the comments down below. So that pretty much does it for me guys for today. Thanks so much for watching guys. This is Tiro from KDN Tech signing off for today and I'll catch you guys in the next one.